All right, here's a fun one. We're in Outlook. Let's come over to a new email. All right, I'm going to come over to ND attach. I'm going into NetDocs to select something. I'm going to use either link or secured link. So we're going to get link selected. We hit insert. What is that? Not good, right? Like I don't want that to happen. So how do you fix this issue? In Outlook, we're going to go to File. We're going to come down to Options. We're going to come over to Mail. Got to drill all the way down to Message Format. Use cascading style sheets. Let's check this off and then hit OK. New email. And the attach. All right, link. That's what you want to see. All right, so that's how you fix that issue.